I'm thrilled to be visiting and cooking with Chef Claude Tayag at his beautiful Ballet de Tongue outdoor restaurant. We're making halo halo, and I'm eager to learn how Chef Claude creates this custom and classic Filipino dessert. It's time for halo halo. So halo halo is found all over the Philippines.
Yes, it is.
What makes it special here in Pampanga?
Well, you know, generally, Pampanga cuisine is known for its extravagance in the use of ingredients. But it's the other way around when it comes to the halo halo. It's less is more.
Quality over quantity.
Precisely. Halo halo is basically a shaved ice dessert with a lot of toppings. We have the cream-style corn, the makapuno, which is like a variety of coconut. And then we have the red beans and the white beans. Purple yam made into a jam. And then the flan. So this is what we call Carabao's milk. Carabao is a water buffalo.
Wow.
We use this in making the flan. We use it in making the pastillas de leche, the milk candies. I use it to make the crema de pastillas. It's like a liquid pastillas.
So it's like a liquid version of the candy?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, you put a little bit of everything there, one in front of you, while I do the ice shaving.
Okay.
Okay?
I like your ice shaving device
Yes,
here.
it's an antique piece. You would find this in provinces still being used.
Wow.
Go. There you go. Okay, let's do it. That. Up. Okay.
All right.
So I will top it with a little slice of flan. So this is basically the coup de grace.
Just a
A
little.
little bit. It's like the exclamation point.
I like that.
And then a double exclamation point is really the cremas de pastillas. Here you go. This is the Pampango halo halo.
I love this layered look. So is it ready to eat?
Yes, but there's a trick how to mix the halo halo. Push the spoon all the way touching the bottom. So you move it in a little circular fashion. So have the first spoonful.
It's ice cold, it's sweet, and completely refreshing. And that corn, vegetable belongs in dessert, go figure. This is spectacular.